Quizzy Whizzy. Who lives beneath the waves?
Subscribe!
Who is the largest ocean creature? Shark or blue whale? Correct answer, blue whale. If whales joined a sea parade, they need their own lane. There's just no space big enough for anyone else nearby. The blue whale is the largest animal ever to live on Earth. It can grow up to 30 meters long and weigh up to 180 tons. Its tongue weighs as much as an elephant, and its heart is the size of a small car. Blue whales eat tiny krill, millions of them every day, swallowing tons of food. They can make sounds heard up to 800 kilometers away, louder than a jet engine. Scientists say the blue whale is the true champion of strength and endurance in the ocean. Who is the fastest swimmer in the ocean? Swordfish or seahorse? Correct answer, swordfish. If swordfish took part in ocean races, it wouldn't need headlights, just a fin and a splash of water speed. The swordfish can reach speeds of up to 100 kilometers per hour, making it the true rocket of the sea. Sometimes they leap high out of the water, glimmering like silver lightning bolts against the sun. Despite their sharp weapon, swordfish are not dangerous to humans and prefer to stay far from boats. And if they ever competed in the Olympics, they'd need a whole new category, underwater sprint, 100 meters without surfacing. Oh, and of course, their racing helmet would have the sharpest point, to match their sword style. Who can change color like a real magician? Squid or jellyfish? Correct answer, squid. If a squid went to a magic school, it would teach disappear with style. Squids can change the color of their skin in seconds to hide from predators or scare their prey. They use special cells called chromatophores, like tiny screens that display colors. Some squids even glow in the dark, real sea lanterns. They move using jet propulsion, shooting water out of their bodies to zoom forward. And if someone frightens them, they release a cloud of ink, a true ninja escape move. Who can sleep while swimming and not sink? Dolphin or starfish? Correct answer, dolphin. If dolphins wrote a book about sleep, it would be called How to Rest Without Stopping to Breathe. Dolphins sleep with one half of their brain, while the other half stays awake to control breathing and watch for danger. This half-sleep mode keeps them from drowning or being attacked by predators. They breathe consciously, so even while sleeping, they must surface for air. Scientists consider dolphins among the smartest animals on Earth. They can recognize themselves in mirrors, play games, teach their young, and even help humans. And if they could snore, the ocean would sound like a marine choir. Who can glow in the dark? Sea turtle or glowing plankton? Correct answer, glowing plankton. If plankton starred in a movie, it would play the role of the living flashlight. Glowing plankton are millions of tiny organisms that can emit blue or green light. This effect is called bioluminescence, a natural chemical reaction that creates a soft glow. When waves hit the shore, the water seems to light up from within, like the sea is throwing a disco. Some fish and squids use this glow to attract prey or scare off predators. Scientists still study why plankton turns on the light, but one thing's clear, it looks absolutely magical. And if you ever see the sea shining at night, don't be surprised, it's just the ocean turning on its night light. Who can glow in the dark like a real underwater lamp? jellyfish or sea turtle? Correct answer, jellyfish. The jellyfish is a living wonder that can shine in the dark depths of the ocean. It glows thanks to special proteins that create soft blue or green light. This glow helps jellyfish scare off predators, attract prey, or simply decorate the sea with natural magic. Some jellyfish are so transparent, they're almost invisible, like ocean ghosts. Jellyfish have been around for over 500 million years, older than dinosaurs and trees. They drift gracefully, as if they're enjoying an endless underwater dance. So if you ever see the ocean sparkling at night, it's probably jellyfish throwing their own glowing party under the waves. Who always carries their home with them? Hermit crab or sea urchin? Correct answer, hermit crab. The hermit crab is a true traveler with a suitcase, except its suitcase is a shell. When it grows, it looks for a new, bigger shell. If there isn't one available, it might negotiate with another crab or wait for a vacancy. It chooses shells not only for safety but also for style, a real decorator. These crabs use the shell to protect their soft body. Sometimes they decorate their home with seaweed, ocean-style interior design. Scientists have even seen hermit crabs swapping shells like they're playing a game of underwater house exchange. If they lived on land, they'd definitely need their own real estate agent. Who sings underwater? Dolphin or sea turtle? Correct answer, dolphin. Dolphins are the true singers of the ocean, and definitely its most talkative residents. They make clicks, whistles, and long melodies to talk to each other. Each dolphin has its own special whistle, like a name or an underwater phone number. When a pod of dolphins gathers, it's like listening to a full concert of whistles and giggles. Researchers believe dolphins have emotions. They can feel joy, sadness, and even play just for fun. If dolphins started a band, they'd call it the Splash, and their concerts would be completely underwater. Who can shoot water like a real underwater sniper? Archerfish or seahorse? Correct answer, archerfish. The archerfish is small, but it's one of the ocean's most accurate shooters. It doesn't hunt underwater, it hunts above the surface. When it spots an insect sitting on a leaf or branch, it spits a powerful jet of water that knocks the prey straight into its mouth. Its water gun is incredibly precise, almost a 100% hit rate. Small archerfish can shoot up to 2 to 3 meters, while the biggest ones reach targets as far as 5 meters away. It's like an ocean sniper, but with no bullets, only pure H2O skill. Scientists say the archerfish adjusts its aim and pressure depending on how light bends in the water. Who can walk along the ocean floor like a true sea tourist? Sea cucumber or stingray? Correct answer, sea cucumber. The sea cucumber is one of the ocean's most amazing and underrated creatures. It might not look very fancy, but it plays a huge role in keeping the ocean healthy. Sea cucumbers slowly crawl along the seafloor, sucking up sand and filtering out nutrients. Basically, they're the cleaning crew of the ocean, making the water fresher and the seabed healthier. Without sea cucumbers, the ocean could turn into one big dusty room. They recycle waste and enrich the seabed with nutrients, just like underwater gardeners. Some species even breathe through their bottoms. Yes, really. Nature sure has a sense of humor. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button.